Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Something a bit different today. We are talking toilet tents. Back at the end of lockdown, when campsites were just reopening, they often weren't opening up their facilities at all or fully. So we thought it might be a good idea to invest in a toilet tent, which means we could travel to these sites and indeed sites that don't have facilities normally without having to take the bulky drive-away awning. So after a bit of research, we decided to get the Wolfwise toilet and shower tent. The reason we got the Wolfwise, a couple of reasons. It had good large floor space, which meant we could use the tent for storage as well as for the toilet. It is not see-through, some are, because it is a high UPF. It's got a silver inside. And it's also quite a sturdy build. Although we did have a problem with our first one, we had to contact Wolfwise, but they replaced it. So the one we've got we're really pleased with because of some particular features. Firstly, it has a detachable ground sheet and a cover for the roof that comes off. These we thought were good because with the ground sheet you can take it out and let it dry out, and with the roof cover it can mean you can leave that off and get a bit more air if it's particularly hot, and also it's easier to pack away. It's also inside, it has a strap to hang up a towel, for example, and some little pockets as well to store stuff. It is a pop-up tent. And the reason for making this video is because they are notoriously difficult, particularly to pack away. So I thought what I'd do is show you just how we set up the toilet tent and also the important bit of how you pack it away and get into that storage bag again. So hopefully it's useful. It's only a short video and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.